So it's finally time to get some diagnostic tool or diagnostic connection to our Tesla. So we're going to do this by using this Y cable for Tesla Model 3 and Model Y. It's 26 pin and it will stay between the Tesla connector, the factory one, and it will get an OBD connection to it. To this cable we're going to connect this OBD adapter, in this case crystal, but it can be any OBD EUM327 adapter that supports CAN. And we're going to connect this to just an old Android phone with the Scan My Tesla application installed on it. So in order to access the cable, it's located in the rear area. Usually you will not have the screen here, but I have it. So we will need to remove the panel, the rear panel, by using one of those plastic tools. It's recommended because you don't want to scratch or break anything. So the first thing that we need to do, I'll go to the front seat. The first thing will be to shut down the car. So we go into safety, power off. Are you sure we want power off? Place the foot on the brake to turn power back on. We click power off and the car will shut down, so we don't interrupt the CAN communication of the vehicle. Also, we can move the seats forward, or at least the driver one, just to be a little bit easier to work on the back seat. So first I'll try to remove this most bottom panel, the plastic tool. So we can just remove this plastic cover and we see that the screen that's connected is already bypassed this blue connector. So this is one of the end, this is the other end, and between them is this screen. So now we'll add between them our diagnostic cable. So now I'll add one more cable in this wiring harness and we'll plug our diagnostic tool into it. So let's quickly do it. So in order to unplug the cable, you just push actually this tab in, and while pushing, let me try to film it. While pushing in, you just pull the connector. So you push on the top and pull back. I'll just try to get this out of the way for now. And now at the end we have just an OBD cable going out of this panel on the floor. I can just take it a little bit inside, and now I can connect my OBD or any OBD adapter to here, and we have a red light, it's working.